Hello everyone and welcome to Basic Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe, especially for coffee lovers. I am myself a coffee lover, so today we are going to make coffee bean cookies. So for this kind of recipe we need flour, unsalted butter, 1 egg yolk, instant coffee, powdered sugar, cocoa and hot water. Let's get started. So we are going to start by mixing the unsalted butter with the powdered sugar. So we mix until it becomes like this. You can also do it with your hand. Now I'm going to add the yolk, instant coffee and water, and we mix all this. Now we are going to add the flour and the cocoa. And we mix. We mix until it becomes like a dough. Now I'm going to do it with my hand. So the dough is ready. We know it's ready because it's a little bit sticky and glowy. Now we are going to divide the dough in 4 pieces. We take one and we do it like this. And now we are going to divide this in 20 little pieces. Now we take the little pieces and we give them an oval shape. And we put it in the tray covered with parchment paper. Now I'm going to make a cut in the middle of the pieces. Now I'm going to put the coffee beans into the preheated oven at 170 degrees for 12 minutes. So the coffee beans are ready. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee.